Hi guys, today's video is a power hour challenge and I'll be tackling mainly my kids' rooms and bathroom in 1 hour.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. But baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight, makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay.
So in this bag there is a bunch of shoes my oldest daughter barely used. Being the first granddaughter in the family, my mom and my mother-in-law spoiled her rotten with shoes and clothes. I'm glad I kept them for my youngest daughter to use though. A lot of them are still a little big on her, but I sorted the ones that she does fit now and put the others away. Honestly, she doesn't even care that they're hand-me-downs. To her, they are brand new shoes and she loves them because she loves anything pretty, just like her sister. So yeah, works out perfectly.
Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning?
I was wondering where that faux greenery ball went. She was playing with it the whole time. Busted.
'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Sundown, come meet me at the sundown. So high, no one can make us slow down. Don't wanna lose it, what we got. Don't wanna lose it, no I don't, no I don't. There's no confusing, this is love. Baby, keep moving, beat don't stop, beat don't stop. This thing we got it, I know I love it. No need for it to stop. Cloud nine, I love it here on cloud nine. You're mine, yeah, you're so good, you stop time.
As much as I love this vacuum, I hate that it's corded. Attack of the dreaded cord. Ugh. Anyone with cordless vacuums, how do you like it? Comment down below, please. I think I might have to invest in a cordless vacuum soon.
This thing we got it, I know I love it. No need for it to stop. This is all I ever dreamed of. This is all I ever wanted. Baby, you and that's so real, yeah. The kind of stuff that you can plan, yeah. This thing we got is, I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
It's at the 51-minute mark, and all I can do is fold these towels. I know I'm not gonna do any more than that. Anyways, I think I got enough done for an hour. This was fun. I'll probably do more power hour cleanings in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dayanne. Nice to meet you. And if you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that notification button for more upcoming content. See you soon, guys. Bye.